Hello everyone, my name is Mehlaka Patel and I'm a B Pharmacy third year student from Alad College of Pharmacy, and today I'm here to tell you about what are the different roles a pharmacist has to play during this COVID-19 pandemic. So first and foremost, I want to give a quick brief info about what is COVID-19. So COVID-19 is an infection caused due to severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which was first emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019, and it spread so fast that on 11th of March 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic, which led to a global lockdown. Pharmacies were one of the few places that were kept open for the public. At the start, when the country was near enough total lockdown, there was an even greater dependence on pharmacists because they are the first point of contact to fulfill the public's healthcare needs. So, what are the actual roles? First is supplying medications to the public. Pharmacists are the ones who supply medications to the public. Pharmacists should maintain the supply chain of medications and also ensure that there is adequate storage of medications for the whole community. They should also accept online prescription orders and also provide home delivery services to ensure the continuity of care and also to keep the people safe. Number two, educate patients. So, with the increasing number of cases, many hospitals have closed their OPDs to avoid unnecessary crowding, and also the doctors are very busy. So, the public has turned towards their pharmacists because pharmacists are the experts who do not need an appointment to see. The pharmacists should disseminate accurate, current, and evidence based information as well as manage their patients' fears and concerns, which will help to certain mental health issues in some patients. And also the people who visit the pharmacy should be educated about the protocols to prevent the disease, for example like the 7 steps of hand washing, then usage and disposal of masks, then the importance of social distancing, etc. The pharmacists should also hang educational boards and infographics about the protocols outside their shops. Advice and information dispensing along with medications is the new role of the pharmacist in this COVID-19 pandemic. Then the number 3 role is awareness. So many misinformation and fake news are being circulated through the WhatsApp University, Facebook, and many other social media platforms. For example, drinking alcohol will kill the virus, or holding your breath for a few seconds will help you detect the virus, which is all wrong, misleading, and can be fatal. Fake prescriptions are also being circulated. For example, when the first news about hydroxychloroquine came in, patients or people who didn't even have any symptoms started buying hydroxychloroquine and also consumed it, which is not good for health and has many side effects. In America, just like the toilet paper stockpiling, patients are also stockpiling chronic medications like insulin, inhalers, which can lead to medication shortage. Pharmacists should limit the supply to 20 to 30 days to prevent this problem. And also, according to WHO, we are not just fighting the pandemic, we are also fighting the infodemic. It is the role of the pharmacist to spread awareness against such misinformation, fake news, and ensure the safety of the public. Then the fourth point is to promote medication adherence. What I mean by this is many people in this lockdown have lost their jobs. In order to save money, they are they are skipping their chronic medications. So it is very important for the pharmacists to make sure that they understand the importance of regularly taking their medications so that they do not further worsen their own healthcare status. The point number 5 is about drug manufacturing. The pharmacists in the pharmaceutical industry are working day and night in this lockdown to manufacture drugs, and they are playing a very vital role in this pandemic. Number 6 is the vaccine development. The pharmaceutical research scientists, they are working from day one since the outbreak of COVID-19 to develop a vaccine, and they have a very significant role in the pandemic. And in the end, I just want to give a huge salute to all the frontline healthcare workers because they are risking their own lives in order to save us. It is my humble request that please wear masks, use sanitizers, maintain social distancing, and if possible, please stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.